Title: 2025 Lexus NX Review. And the luxury crossover gets sharper, smarter, more efficient. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Lexus NX, a luxury crossover that continues to bridge the gap between premium comfort and cutting-edge tech. If you're shopping for a luxury SUV that delivers style, reliability, and that unmistakable Lexus refinement, you'll definitely want to stick around. Let's get into it. 1. Introduction of the Lexus NX Legacy. The Lexus NX has been a key player in the compact luxury SUV segment since its debut in 2015. It's always stood out for its smooth ride, upscale materials, and bulletproof reliability, traits that have kept it popular among both young professionals and small families. Now, in 2025, the NX gets refined once again, with updates that make it more competitive than ever. 2. What's new for 2025? While the exterior might look familiar, the 2025 NX brings a handful of subtly but meaningful updates under the surface. Updated infotainment system. Lexus has refined its Lexus Interface with faster response times and a more intuitive layout. Improved hybrid powertrain options, better fuel economy and smoother transitions between electric and gas power. New trim options and customization packages give buyers more freedom to spec their NX exactly how they like. And for those craving a little extra thrill, Lexus has tuned the F-Sport handling package for sharper dynamics. These enhancements aren't revolutionary, but they show that Lexus is listening to feedback and fine-tuning the NX where it counts. 3. Design: bold, confident. Visually, the 2025 Lexus NX stays true to its aggressive and sculpted identity. That signature spindle grille is still front and center, flanked by angular LED headlights and a sleek lower bumper. Around back, a full-width light bar and crisp taillight detailing keep it modern and unmistakably Lexus. New for 2025 are two color options, Copper Blaze and Arctic Frost, both of which add an upscale flair to the already premium palette. With its sharp body lines, 20-inch alloy wheels on higher trims, and just the right amount of chrome accents, the NX looks athletic without trying too hard. It's stylish, yet understated the Lexus way. 4. Interior: a quiet luxury redefined. Step inside, and this is where the NX really starts to shine. Materials are top-notch across the board. Even the base models feel premium, with soft touch surfaces, real wood or aluminum trims, and plush seating. The Lexus Interface touchscreen, now standard at 9.8 inches, with an optional 14-inch upgrade, is brighter and more responsive. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are wireless, of course. A 12-speaker premium audio system comes standard on higher trims, with an available 17-speaker Mark 11 system for audiophiles. And let's not forget the ultra-comfortable front seats, heated and ventilated, with plenty of adjustment and support. In terms of practicality, the NX offers a decent cargo area of about 23 cubic feet behind the second row, expanding to over 46 cubic feet with the seats folded. That's enough for road trips, Costco runs, and everything in between. 5. Powertrains: multiple flavors of performance. Lexus gives you 4 powertrains to choose from in the 2025 NX lineup. NX 250, powered by a naturally aspirated 2.5 liters 4-cylinder, offering 203 horsepower. This one's for folks who value simplicity and reliability. NX 350 steps it up with a 2.4 liters turbocharged 4-cylinder, cranking out 275 horsepower and 317 pounds-feet of torque. A great blend of power and efficiency. NX 350 hours, a self-charging hybrid combining the 2.5 liters engine with electric motors, good for 240 horsepower and excellent fuel economy around 39 miles per gallon combined. NX 450 hours plus, the plug-in hybrid variant, making 302 horsepower and offering up to 37 miles of electric-only range. It's essentially the luxury cousin of the Toyota RAV4 Prime, and it's fast to 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds. All-wheel drive is available on most trims, and standard on the NX 350 and NX 450 hours plus. 6. Ride handling a comfort first, always. Driving the 2025 NX is all about smoothness. The suspension tuning leans soft, soaking up road imperfections with ease. Steering is precise, though not overly sporty, which fits the car's character. If you do want a more engaging drive, opt for the F-Sport handling package. It adds adaptive suspension, sportier seats, and a more aggressive look, making the NX feel sharper and more responsive without sacrificing ride comfort. And thanks to Lexus' improved sound insulation, the cabin is whisper quiet at highway speeds. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or cruising through the city, the NX makes it effortless. 7. Tech safety leading the pack. Lexus has packed the NX with a comprehensive suite of safety and driver assist features. Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 is standard on all models. That means adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, and more. The available 360-degree camera system offers crisp, real-time views that make parking in tight spots a breeze. Also new is Advanced Park, which can autonomously handle parallel and perpendicular parking with minimal input. Add-in features like a head-up display, digital key access, and over-the-air software updates, and the 2025 NX feels truly future-ready. 8. Pricing worth the premium? Here's a quick breakdown of the expected pricing, MSRP. NX 250, starting around $41,000. NX 350, from $45,500. NX 350 hours, from $46,000. NX 450 hours plus, starts at $59,000. Yes, it's a premium product, but you're getting premium value. Lexus also throws in a complimentary first maintenance visit and their excellent warranty coverage, 4 years /50,000 miles basic, and 6 years /70,000 miles on the powertrain. 9. Final thoughts. Is the 2025 Lexus NX worth it? If you want a luxury SUV that balances performance, comfort, technology, and hybrid efficiency, the 2025 Lexus NX absolutely delivers. It's not the flashiest or sportiest option, but that's not its mission. Instead, it offers what Lexus does best, a calm, refined, and worry-free driving experience wrapped in a stylish, tech-savvy package. With the expanded hybrid options and thoughtful updates for 2025, the NX continues to be one of the smartest choices in the segment. What do you think? Would you go for the hybrid or plug-in? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Let me know if you'd like a version optimized for a blog, Instagram caption, or voiceover delivery.